Want your Facebook leads to flow automatically into Gohighlevel? Let's go step by step so you don't miss anything. First, open your Gohighlevel dashboard, head to Settings, then tap on Integrations. From here, click on Facebook Lead Ads and hit Connect. Now log in with your Facebook account and select the Facebook page you want tied to that location. Next, jump into the Facebook Form Fields Mapping tab. This is where you map your form fields from Facebook to the right fields inside Gohighlevel. Once that's done, it's time to create a trigger. Go to Triggers, create a new one, and select Facebook Lead Submitted as your event. You can also add filters if you want to narrow down who enters your campaigns. Then under the Actions, pick Add to Campaign and choose the campaign inside Gohighlevel where you want those leads to land. Save it, test it, and you're good to go. Now, if you also want to handle Facebook Messenger messages directly in Gohighlevel, you'll need to connect your Facebook business page too. Here's how. Go back to Settings, hit Integrations, click on the Facebook icon, then log in with your account. Select the page you want, hit Connect Page, and save. From now on, you can send and receive Messenger chats straight inside Gohighlevel CRM. Follow these exact steps and your Facebook leads plus Messenger messages will sync without you lifting a finger again. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more